Hello. Today we're going to look at markdowns or discounts. The learning goal is I can calculate discount and sell price of an item. What is a markdown or a discount? It's a certain amount of money taken off an item. Okay? Think about it and we'll discuss this in class, but where have you seen discounts in the real world? Okay? Many stores entice you to come in by sending you discounts. Okay, so for the first example that we're going to look at is Andrew, a farmer, needs to buy food for his cows. There are two businesses that sell the same product. Andrew needs to determine which business offers the best deal. Okay, the first store, all your farmers needs, looks like they're buying hay, is $120, but it's on sale for 20% off. The second, We Got Hay for You, sells the hay for $140, but it is 35% off. We need to figure out which store should the farmer purchase his hay at. Okay, so the first way I did in blue. First, I would find the discount. I would find 20% of $120. So I turned 20% into a decimal, 0.20, multiplied it by 120 to get $24. That's my discount. That's how much I'm going to save. To find the sale price, or the price they're going to sell you the hay for, you take the original price of 120 and you subtract your discount. And you're going to pay $96 for that bale of hay. If we look at the We Got Hay for You store, I found the discount first in blue. I did 0.35 because I turned 35% into a decimal, and I multiplied it by 140, and I got $49 discount. To find the sale price, I did 140, and I subtracted the $49 which I was saving. To get the answer of $91 is my sale price. So looking at these two offers, it seems like the second store, We Got Hay, has the better price. And it says at the bottom to circle your answer. So I'm going to circle We Got Hay for you. Okay, then I find the way I did it in red to be a little bit faster. Okay, so if we're thinking I'm saving on the first bale of hay 20%, that means I'm going to pay 80%. So to find the sale price right away, find 80% of 120. Notice I turned 80% into a decimal, and then I multiplied to get 96 right away. Same thing with the second store. If you save 35%, that means you're going to pay 65%. So find 65% of 140. So I took 65% again, turned it into a decimal, and I multiplied it by 140, and I got $91 right away. I feel that the second way is easier, but sometimes they'll ask you to find the discount and the sale price, so you'll have to do the way in blue. If not, I would do the way I showed you in red. Next, you're going to try the Your Turn problems on the next page, and we will go over those in class. Good luck.